Recently I picked up this K24 for my Honda Civic and want to turn it from looking like this dirty engine to something way better. Finally got the engine on the stand and I'm going to disassemble everything here because none of this stuff I actually need. I want to get brand new parts. Like this is going to be billet, so with the AN lines, take off the intake. Just got to take off all these little things that I don't need. Maybe an oil pan as well, but so glad to actually be working on this finally. Like, it's been a while since I've been able to do all this stuff because I finally got a K-series that I actually want to build and make it look perfect. So let's get started. Like this throttle body I do not need because I'm going to get the drive-by-wire or drive-by cable instead of wire. So let's get to it. Well, now everything's off, so it's all bare bones. Things, well, I could change a couple things, but mainly I need to clean all this up because it's looking very rusty and very nasty right now. So this hose won't be needed anymore, none of these. But I also got this exhaust a while back, so the exhaust is ready. Now I need to start getting everything else. Oh, yeah, easy. And since this is the K20A2, I have this plenum, so it'll be custom, everything. I also got the wire harness ready. I routed some stuff out. It does work, but I need more wires and everything, as usual, to get everything ready. So this is coming together. Alright, well, I got the engine onto the side so I can work on it. If the wind catches in the audio, I'm sorry about that. But today we're going to be sandblasting this engine. I pressure washed it a couple days ago. It looks good, but I need to make it perfect. So I'm going to sandblast it and spray paint it. So the first thing I need to do is tape all the extra stuff that would be able to get in. Like all this, take this off, put tape right there, and then just make sure everything was good. So let's get to it. We got all this taped up, everything ready to go, and now we're gonna sandblast it. I got the sandblaster here. This one's from Amazon. This is a pretty cheap one, but it'll get the job done. So I'm gonna blast this whole side, and then I'm gonna repaint it. Everything. So this side I've done a little bit just to test out. It took a lot of it off, so this is gonna be really good. This is gonna be a really good job. So get this done, and then always wear protective gear. I got this mask and glasses, so I'll be able to not die from. And always wear protective gear. I got these gloves, and always wear protective gear. I got these masks, and I got goggles as well. So I'm not trying to breathe all this stuff in. This is like super small sandpaper, so make sure you stay safe. But let's get started. pretty much where I want it to be. So this is all sanded down properly and everything. So the only thing I need to do left is I'm gonna spray paint it. So all you need to do is put some simple cleaner and wash this engine, let it dry, and then I'll do a first round of paint. Engine's all dry, so now it's ready to paint. Oh, and this is how it came out. I mean, it looks pretty good. It's just spray. It looks like it's sprayed for sure. But once I get rid of all this oversprayed parts and get brand new parts, it'll look way better. It looked like it was okay. Did a pretty good job. That sandblaster did its thing. That sandblaster was pretty good, but it was cheap. It was like 50 bucks, so. But it is still pretty good, so it did its job, what it needed to do. Now I can't wait. Now I gotta buy more parts for this engine. Well, it's another day. I got the engine still here, and I want to do more stuff to it. So I'm planning to strip everything out, like all this old stuff out, like the valve cover, timing cover. So I gotta take this off, and all these little bolts, and then take these to powder coating so I can get them new, refreshed, and all that. Especially with this thermostat right there. So I'm taking that out, and also putting new things in. Like I got a new filter coming in for this, and I got a bunch of new other stuff, so I'm getting everything ready to take out. I got a new sensor for that, and then also a couple things to change, so let's get ready to do it. Alright, I got this tool. This is specifically for Honda bolts because they're a 19, but this is extra thick for that resistance. Came out easy. Well, now that I got all this stuff off, I'm gonna try and keep everything organized. So I got the bolts over here, but for the valve cover, I want to get a plastic bag, all these little extra stuff I want to put in this bag and then just mark it. So whatever bolts come out of here, I'm gonna try and mark it so I can keep it as organized so I don't lose everything. But I also got a bunch of new timing stuff. So I got a new timing chain, tensioner, and the rails and everything, guides. So in another video, I'm going to be replacing all of this. Everything's going to be brand new. All the timing and the oil pump, it's going to be all brand new. So in the next video, I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff to this engine, and it's going to be changing a lot. So stay tuned. This is going to be pretty good. Right now I'm going to change this sensor, and I got some extra bolts that I can change up too. So let's do that real quick. Got some Downstar hardware, so I can just put it on every single little bolt. And I got myself a new water neck, a billet one, so it's easier with the thread, so I can do a analyzer. Well, I got a lot of stuff done today, but that's all I could do. At least I got the timing cover off, the valve cover. I'm gonna take it over to get it powder coated, and I got this stuff done. So this already looks so much better. Just the gold. I have the gold accents, and then this shiny water outlet. This is gonna look so good. So. So next video is going to be tearing down everything on the bottom end, so I'm going to do the oil pump. I got a Type-S oil pump, so let's get ready for that. Can't wait for that. Alright, see you guys next time. If you guys liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.